Hi everyone, Chef Anthony from Dawn's Appliances here. Today I'm on the Gaggenau indoor griddle right here, the electric version. This is the 15-inch modular piece, with lava stones underneath. I'm just gonna go over a quick maintenance, how to use and care, how to clean this. Very nice piece. So when it's nice and cool, obviously, after we did some grilling, what you wanna do is either get a brush or get one of our Dawn scrubbies. We wanna just go in between these little grates, and I'm using white vinegar just to deneutralize it. I don't want to use any heavy soaps or things like that because this is a surface we'll be cooking on and eating direct food on. So just want to kind of get in there, get all of these grates, kind of go through it. And I like to do it like that and then maybe flip it up. And you see the S grates here. This is really where we want to clean this, kind of get all in here and things like that. So let me flip this and let's show you how this opens up. So these really pull these back. This is kind of the stones right here. So these actually look great. Over time, they're gonna heat up, and obviously the system is, when you cook proteins or you cook something on there, the moisture goes down here and flavors up. So these are actually flavor ones. So after maybe a year and a half time, you have to replace these stones. Or if you find if you're doing a lot of grilling of meats and things like that, you might have some odor when you heat these up. So think about that, and kind of get some replacement rocks, which is always a good thing. I really like to spray it with the vinegar and kind of get all in these spots because this is where some of the oil and residue can lay. So we just want to go over that real quick like that, and we want to wipe it nice and dry. So I really wouldn't mess with any of these. I would look and see if there's any buildup or anything on there and wipe those gently. But for that, I really don't mess around with it, kind of leave that clear and just worry about kind of the structure of the stone and worry about the placement of the electric burner right there. So think about that. And then I don't want to get anything too wet. I don't like to saturate these stones because they will leak, things like that. So keep it nice, keep it easy, keep it simple, just like you would do your normal grill on the outdoor. So I would do this side as well. Really just see if there's any burnt on pieces. See how this is all coming off right here in my hand. Kind of brush this out nice and easy. As I'm doing that, make sure you get in here and then lift this up as well. Check the surface, give it a flip, clean these, and then give it another wipe in here. See how nice and clean that looks now? Is that nice? Very good. Clean that, push these down. And I like to let this, once I'm done, I'm gonna actually do a little more cleaning, but I like to let this sit 10 or 15 minutes, make sure it fully dries, and then I like to put it on a low to bring it up. That'll really get the rest of the moisture and the condensation off this and get it ready for grilling. So think about that. It's a couple quick, easy tips, get you up and running, keep you clean on your Gaggenau grill.